Ninth Standard Geography, Chapter 7, Transport. Exercises. First main, fill in the blanks with the suitable words. First one, villages and towns are linked by dash transport. Answer is road. Second one, there are dash national highways passing through Karnataka. Answer is 14. Third one, the city railway system of Bangalore is called dash. Answer is Namma Metro. Fourth one, the port that is called the gateway of Karnataka is dash. Answer is the New Mangaluru. Fifth one, the coastal railway of Karnataka is called dash. Answer is Konkan Railways. Second main, discuss in groups and answer the following questions. First one, explain the importance of road transport. A large number of people live in rural areas in Karnataka, so road transport occupies a very important role in linking the villages and towns. Roads can be constructed easily at low cost. People and goods can be transported to every corner of the state. Development of roads determines the progress of the state's agriculture, industry, mining, and commerce. Second question, name the different types of roads in Karnataka. Answer is national highways, state highways, district roads, and village roads. List the important rail routes of Karnataka. Answer is Bengaluru, Ballari, Belagavi, Hassan, Uttara Kannada, Chitradurga, Udupi, Ramnagar, and Dakshina Kannada districts have an average of 150 to 200 km long railway track. Konkan Railway is the most important railway route of West Coast. It links Mangalore and Mumbai. To overcome the traffic problem of Bengaluru, Namma Metro Rail Transport Plan is being implemented. Question number 4. What are the advantages of air transport? The advantages of air transport are: air transport is the fastest mode of transport. It helps to carry people, mail, and lightweight goods to distant places in the shortest time. Air transport is of great help during natural calamities, wars, and other emergencies. Fifth one, name the ports of Karnataka. Mangaluru Port, Old Mangaluru Port, Malpe, Hangarkatte, Kundapura, Padubidri. Bhatkal, Honnavara, Tadri, Belekeri, Karwar. Third main, match the following. List A, Golden Quadrilateral, Broad Gauge, HAL, Belekeri, Namma Metro. List B, Port, Bengaluru, NH4, Airport, Railways, Waterways. The correct answer is Golden Quadrilateral, NH4, Broad Gauge, Railways, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited or HAL, Airport, Belekeri, Port, Namma Metro, Bengaluru.